welcome to the Swift Wellness channel. My name is Ashley and I'm here to help you out with a quick, easy lower body warm-up workout. I know you're headed right into your longer workout, whether it's 15, 30 minutes or longer. So I'll keep this nice and short. We're gonna go through a series of glute and leg exercises that will help prime all those muscles. So of course, if you like this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can find our own warm-ups, cool downs, and of course, longer workouts. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I like to start with a series of glute exercises, warming up those hips. So we're gonna sit down on our heels, either tuck those toes in if that's okay with you, or if not, feet flat on the floor. I'm gonna press through those hips, squeeze the glutes all the way at the top, and then I'm gonna come all the way back down. So I'm really focused on exhaling and squeezing, and then inhale as I come back down. Feeling those quads fire up, feeling those glutes. All the way, and of course that little modification is tucking those toes in or letting them stay flat on the ground. But again, squeezing, feeling those quads activate. You've got 3, you've got 2, and then we're going into that quadruped position. 1, drop down onto that hands and knees position. I'm gonna crawl forward just a little bit so you can see me. We're gonna start on that left leg. So I want you to extend it long, point that toe, core nice and tight. We're gonna lift and lower. So you're just activating that glute muscle, pulling that leg as long as you can. Works the back, the hamstrings, the glutes, the calves. You should feel your whole leg fire up. Lifting and lowering. Okay. We've got just a couple more. Let's go 3 more. And then we're going to take that leg out to the side. Last 1. Good. I want you to pull that knee back in to meet the other. Again, tuck those toes, core nice and tight. We're going to go into fire hydrants. So you're lifting that knee directly out to the side. One way that I like to do it so that you don't tip all the way into that side is you're wanting to just take those fingers and use that with just a little bit. So I'm gonna press that left hand down, use the fingers of my right hand to ensure that I'm pressing the weight on the right hand. So lift, again, just lifting out to the side. Last 2, and then I'll meet you back in that same starting position here. Again, squeezing through. I'm gonna take that left foot, same leg that we've been working, press it all the way up into that donkey kick, and then I'm gonna bring it all the way back. So just like any of these movements, avoid that arch, squeeze that core, come all the way in and up. Should really feel your glutes working here. Good, all the way up. Got 3 more. And we're gonna add those 2 things together. So on this next one, I want you to hold it up, and then we're gonna actually go into a clamshell at the very top. So we're opening that hip up, back to donkey kick, and then back down. So it's up, external rotation, back to center, and down. Up, rotate, center, down. We've got 3 more just like this. And then I want you to go ahead and switch the legs. So we're gonna go back to that leg lift. Good. You might need to take a second if you want to sink it back into child's pose, stretch out that hip, come all the way back up. This time we're extending that right leg, going right in to that leg lift. So toe points, leg long, no arch, squeeze your core, lift, lift. So that lift comes directly from the glute, hamstring. You've been feeling that calf warm up. Let's go 3 more. Now rotate to the other side, but we're going right into fire hydrants. So you know the position, go ahead and switch into it yourself. But I'll switch to the side so that you can see. So again, knee right in line, opening up. And again, so that you don't dump into this side, take those fingers, right hand all the way down, left fingertips. Keeps the weight in this hand. Good. Got 3. We're gonna go right into that donkey kick. So 2 and 1, coming right back down. Flex that foot, pressing up, finding that 90-degree angle, and down. Got 3 more, and then you know we're gonna hold it at the top, externally rotate that leg to warm up that hip. Last 1, meet me at the top, and rotate that leg out, in, and down. Up, out, in, and down. So again, with any of these exercises, avoid twisting through the back or through the spine. You're coming up. That twist is only from the hips, so it should be very tiny. Up, out, over, and down. Good. 2 more. And then, there we go. And then we're gonna sink into that child's pose one last time. Stretch out those glutes. Open, center, and down. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna rotate to the other side just so you can see this. However, we're gonna warm up those legs by switching over here into a little bit of a leg lift combo. So hands on either side of the knee. Your option, I am tucking my toe right now, holding my core nice and tight. I want you to lift that leg and then lower it back down. So it's a lift and a lower. So everything's working and coming from those glutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that leg as we elevate it here once we finish those lifts. So you've got 3. We're gonna bring it to the elbow, 2, and 1, hold it up. We're gonna bring it in to that elbow, and then I want you to extend it back just a little bit behind those hips. So to knee, to elbow, to back. So again, exhaling as you press away, inhale, exhale. So of course, if this is too much on that toe, you can always do the exact same thing here. Again, it extends just a little bit back to that knee and out. So 1 more. Let's go ahead and switch sides, really feeling that glute warmed up. Same thing. I'm gonna tuck my toe, hands on either side of the knee. Lift and lift. So again, you can always come down, keep your core nice and tight, tiny lift. Whether or not you're on your tucked toe, you're on your flat toe, it should be so small. Good. lift, lift, and then I'm gonna bring that knee again to meet that elbow and extend it back behind you. So if your leg is a little bit like mine, where it's a little bit tighter on this side, you might not be able to extend it quite as far. That's okay. Little movements. What we're doing is we're working on that glute. You should feel that hamstring engage, and you're getting those heels and toes warmed up by sitting on them, working out those ankles. You've got 3 more, and then we're gonna sit back into child's pose, and then you can go ahead and get ready for that workout. Last one, come back to center, knees open, arms extend, sink down into it. Take one last deep breath. Go ahead and start your workout. Thanks again, everybody, for joining us on this warm-up workout. Perfect for your lower body days. Kind of getting a little out of the box, getting away from your standard and traditional squats and lunges. I know that I'm just a little bit sweaty, so hopefully you feel those glutes, the hamstrings, the quads, everything ready for your leg or lower body workout. Of course, thank you so much for tuning in. If you love this warm-up, please give it a like, and of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have 15 and 30-minute workout options, cool downs, you name it. So have a great workout. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can always support us by giving us a like and hitting that subscribe button in the corner of your screen. Check out our channel for 15 and 30-minute at-home workouts, product reviews, and lifestyle videos. For more from Swift Wellness, including self-care tips, wellness advice, and our favorite fashion finds, make sure to follow us on your favorite social media platform. You'll find us at Swift Wellness on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. And of course, most importantly, head over to our online magazine listed down below at swiftfit.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.